Hello, I'm Kyle Bradshaw, and welcome to this very exciting opportunity to bring to you a product that's not even available for sale yet. This is the brand new ChatterBox BiT 3. Now you might remember ChatterBox. ChatterBox used to be the leader in the industry when it came to motorcycle headset communication. But back in 2010, Sena released what they called the SMH10 with the jog dial on the side, and that completely threw the industry on its ear. That became the #1 best-selling headset and most used headset in the marketplace for a long, long time. Cardo has come back and they've now have the Pack Talk, which is head-to-head with their Sena 30K. But today, ChatterBox came into our shop with this brand new unit here. Now, ChatterBox has a BiT 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the BiT 3, so it's right in the middle of that range there. They came to us looking for advice. What should we charge for this thing? How should we market it? And we are going to install this into a Simpson Mod Bandit helmet, put it through its paces so we can give them the information they're looking for, and at the same time, give you the information that you're looking for. So the interesting thing about this BiT 3 is it's really rudimentary, if you will. It does have 4.1 Bluetooth capability, so it's right up there as far as technology goes. But it's just a one-to-one intercom. You can talk to one other person, and you have about 400 meters of range. The battery lasts about 11 hours as far as talk time goes, and has a standby of just 280 hours. So this is really going to be rider to passenger or rider to rider, but not for very far apart. You're going to really want to be right next to each other in order for this to work appropriately. It is water resistant, it's not waterproof, but the one thing that I think this really has going for it is it's teeny. It's about half, if not 2/3 smaller than some of the other intercoms out there in the marketplace. So now let's dig into the box and see what the components look like before we get this thing installed on a Simpson Mod helmet. Now what we're gonna see first is the fact that this is a little tiny device. Maybe it's BiT because it's just a bit of a device. I don't know what the BiT stands for, but this is it. Moving down further down, we're gonna have a user manual and a bunch of other components we'll pull out here on the table really quick. Now that we've got this kit unboxed and everything's laid out on the table, let me walk you through the pieces. Of course, you've got the main headset unit. You've got the metal clamp that attaches to the back of the base that's going to allow you to attach that to this plastic mount. We're gonna have speakers, we're gonna have a microphone, we're then gonna have Velcro pieces that we can then stick inside the helmet to secure all of these things to the shell of the helmet. Now what you might be noticing here is that this ChatterBox unit is significantly smaller in footprint than a lot of the other units on the market. In unboxing this headset, I did notice a couple things that are a little bit concerning. Number one, this mount here is just plastic. And when the headset slides down on top of it, it has a very light click. I don't know how to more appropriately say that. The actual click connection that this has when it slides down is not very robust. And then there's just this little tab here that you would push to be able to slide this unit back up and off. I don't know that this is going to stand the test of time, and they may need to upgrade this to some sort of metal or a thicker plastic. But on the face of it, it's a little bit delicate in my personal opinion, but that impression might change once we get this mounted into the helmet. So again, you've got the base, you've got the actual unit itself, you've got speakers, you've got microphone, you've got Velcro, and of course, the charging cable. So without further ado, let's go ahead and squash this video and get to the installation video into the Simpson Mod helmet.